Okay, here's the remote, and I have the light off in the room. Here's the darkness, and there's the light through the fake window, and then you can dim it very low. Yeah, very, very low. Well, that's really hard to see. You can brighten it back up. It's not super bright in there, but it'll do for adding a little light to the room. And then that's what it looks like with the fluorescent light that I'd like to change out, since this is kind of an old office shop, or storage room rather. But that is the fake window that we put together. Now I just need to cut those long curtains off and maybe get the right additional curtain to go with it if I want to do them at the side in the bedding. So anyway, that's it. And then you can, with this same remote, and I'm going to get another little remote, you can turn it off.